Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about the brand new ColourPop Baby Got Peach Collection. I have the entire collection here to show you guys, and I'm also going to be doing a tutorial on this look. So make sure you guys stay tuned till the end to see the tutorial. But before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a huge giveaway right now. You guys do not want to miss out on that. I'll have it linked in my description box below. And then I'll also have the giveaway video up here in the cards if you guys want to watch that. Today's post notification shout out goes to Queen JJ. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and that's it. It's super easy. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm first going to go through all of the products that are in this collection, and I'm going to tell you guys prices and just basically show you guys close-ups of everything. So we're first going to start out with the eyeshadow palette in this collection. So this is the Baby Got Peach eyeshadow palette, and this is a $12 eyeshadow palette, which is so amazing, especially for the quality of ColourPop shadows. So here are all of the shades in this palette. It has some really pretty like pastel peachy shades in here. I am literally obsessed. I love the eye look that I did today with this palette. So this palette has 5 matte shades, and then it has 3 like shimmery shades, and then 1 like pressed glitter shade, which is all over my lid right now. Next up in this collection, we have 3 of their pressed powder blushes. These are each $8. First up, we have the shade Frisky Business, which is a super gorgeous light peach blush. Next up, we have the shade Fresh and Peachy, which is just a little bit deeper than the last shade. These are all matte blushes, by the way. And then the last shade is called Perk Up, and for me, this is more of like a bronzer type shade. Next up in this collection, we have the You Wanna Peach of Me Super Shock Shadow Trio. So the price of this is $15. There are 3 shades in here. We have like a really pretty shimmery gold, and we have 2 shimmery peach shades in here. Next up is the Nothing on BFF Duo. This has their mascara and then liner in here. The mascara and liner are both like deep chocolate brown shades, and the price of this duo is $15 as well. The last 2 items in this collection are both lip sets. The first one is the Peach Please lip set, and this has 2 of their Just a Tint lip crayons in here. I'm obsessed with these. I wear these all the time. So this has the shades Gimme Some More and Rise and Shine, and this lip duo is $12. And then the last lip duo we have is their Bellini BB Lippy Bundle. This has their Lippy Balm and then Lippy Scrub in here. And then the price of this is also $12. All right, so now that you guys have seen everything that's in this collection, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the tutorial part of this video. All right, so I'm looking a little bit crazy right now. I just have on foundation, concealer, and powder because we're gonna be using the face products and then the eyeshadow palette. But first, I'm gonna go in with the Bellini BB Little Lippy Bundle. This has their lip scrub and Lippy Balm in it. I really want to try both of these out. So I'm first going to take the lip scrub, and I'm going to use this and see if it really exfoliates my lips. So that actually made my lips feel very nice. I feel like that was a pretty hydrating lip scrub too. Sometimes lip scrubs can be like very dry, but that one definitely had some moisture in it. Now we're gonna try out the Lippy Balm. I love the packaging of this. It's so cute. This also feels super nice on the lips. I'm like really into chapsticks and stuff, so I'm like really excited about this product. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the face powders. So as I said in the beginning of the video, there are 3 of their pressed powder cheeks. I'm gonna be using probably all 3 of these today. The first one I'm gonna use is called Perk Up, and this is the one that's gonna be like a bronzer for me. That looks so nice. I really like the shade as well. I was worried it was going to be like a little bit too warm for my skin tone, but it actually looks really natural. So now I'm going to use the other 2 shades. The first one is called Fresh and Peachy, and then the other one is called Frisky Business. I think I'm going to do one on this side and then the other one on this side, and then I'll mix them together because I want to show you guys both shades first. So we're going to start with the lighter shade right here, which is called Frisky Business. This one is just like a really nice, light, natural peachy shade. I know I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this one. This is gonna be perfect for like every day. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Fresh and Peachy, which is like very similar, but it's just a little bit darker. So on the face, they actually look pretty similar. This one is just a little bit darker. I'm gonna go ahead and mix them together so that I don't have two different blushes on. So I went ahead and applied some highlight as well. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes, and I'm gonna be using the Baby Got Peach palette. I'm so excited about this. I am like obsessed with all of the shades in this palette. So I'm first gonna go in with the shade Half Baked, and I'm going to just put this on my outer corner and kind of work it up into my crease a little bit. You guys know I love the ColourPop shadow formula. I just feel like they have really good pigmentation, and I always have like a super easy time blending them out. Now I think I'm going to take the shade Centerfold, which is like that nice pinky peach shade, and I'm going to use this to blend out the edges of the previous shade. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Darlin', and I'm going to use that to kind of blend out the edges again. Oh, that dropped a lot of fallout on my face. The other shades didn't really have any fallout, but this one has a ton. Now I'm going to take some concealer and just kind of carve out my lid area. So now I'm going to pick up the shade Ready or Yacht, and I'm going to put this on the very inner part of my lid. Now I'm going to take the shade Get Even, and I'm going to put this on the rest of my lid. And I really want to use the shade Hungry Ghost, which is that glitter shade. So I think I'm going to take a little bit on my finger and kind of just press this all over my lid. Alright, so that glitter shade is super fun. I probably should have used like a glitter glue or something because I feel like it's kind of going everywhere, which is kind of bugging me, but that's okay. It's like all underneath my eyes. So I think now what I'm going to do is go ahead and finish off my lower lash line and fill my brows, and I will be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and applied some lashes as well because I was going to use the mascara that comes in this collection, but it's a dark brown, which I would normally be fine with if I wasn't wearing false lashes, but I didn't want to have brown mascara and then black lashes, so I decided to just use my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara today. So now I'm going to finish off this look with the lips. I'm going to be using the Peach Please Lip Duo. This has two of the Just a Tint lip crayons in here. It has the shades Rise and Shine, and then we have the shade Gimme Some More. So I have an entire lip swatch video on these. If you guys want to see it, I'll have it up here in the cards. I'm going to use both of these today, so I'm going to kind of wipe off this Lippy Balm and then apply both of these. So I'm going to be taking the shade Gimme Some More first. I love this shade. I wear it all the time. It's like the kind of like My Lips but better type of shade. And now I'm going to take some of the shade Rise and Shine, and I'm going to put this over top. Alright, so this is the completed look using the Baby Got Peach collection. I am like obsessed with this entire collection. I think they did such a good job. Out of all of the items in this collection, I'm going to give you guys my like top recommendations if you just want to get a few of the things from the collection. So the first thing that I would definitely recommend is the Baby Got Peach eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. The shadows performed so nicely, and I love the colors in here. And then the second thing I would recommend getting is one of the pressed powder cheeks. I really liked these a lot. I really liked the Fresh and Peachy blush a lot. I thought the shade was gorgeous, and then the bronzer was really pretty as well. And then my like third recommendation, these are like my top three things from this collection, is the Peach Please lip set. I love the Just a Tint lip crayons. If you guys have not tried those, they are seriously so good. I highly recommend them. So I'm gonna have all of the products from this collection linked in my description box below if you guys want to check any of them out. I do have a coupon code with ColourPop. It is 5Melinda if you guys want to get $5 off your first order. I don't make any kind of commission off the coupon code is strictly just for you guys to get a discount. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a huge giveaway right now. You guys do not want to miss out on that. I'll have a link for it in my description box below, and then I'll have the giveaway video up here in the cards if you guys want to check that out. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.